Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Friday, February 2nd, 2024, and this is an update on the trailer for the Martinac. So this is the surge brake system that I've been cleaning and getting new parts for. When I cleaned this little piece here, this cover had information on the model number. So this is a Dico Model 20. And I don't know how old this is, 40, 50 years at least. But they still make this now under the Titan Model 20. So I was still able to get new replacement parts for it. So this was a complete mess, as you saw in a previous video. I had to soak it in simple green, and then I washed it in acetone, even took it to the car wash and sprayed it, but eventually got it cleaned. Now it's coated with Rust-Oleum primer. So what this does, this is the insert piece that goes into the tongue of the trailer. So the external piece that accompanies this is welded to the trailer frame. So this controls the surge mechanism, and this is the master cylinder. So when this is compressed, it sends pressure to the drum brakes. This mechanism is rated for a 20,000 pound trailer and 2,000 pound tongue weight. So I have nothing like that on my application. So there's rollers that go inside, and these rollers are external to control or to handle the weight of the tongue and the movement of the surge. These shocks dampen the movement. There's no spring on these. You compress them or extend them, they just stay there. So these are surge shocks. Here's another one of the rollers that goes inside. So for example, this gets pinned here, and then this roller goes here. The other shock would get pinned here, and its roller would go here. And then there's a third roller that goes up here. This square piece, I'm pretty sure, is what presses against the master cylinder. So when I assemble this, I'll see better how it all works. I didn't pay too much attention when I took it all apart. So this is fixed on the tongue of the trailer, and then this can move about 1.5 inches maybe against this piston to provide pressure to the brakes. And then this unit is mounted in this spring cartridge so that when this bottoms out, there's still a little movement that can occur on the master cylinder. So this is ready to assemble and put back onto the trailer. But just to give you an idea of how bad it was, here's the original master cylinder. There's the piston that presses against the mechanism in here. Here's one of the old shocks. I couldn't get this pin out. It just seized in place on both of them, so I had to cut it. And even worse, are the spring assemblies, the old spring assemblies. These springs are almost corroded to the point where they're gone. So it really needed some work. But right now, it's looking good. And next week or so, I'll get it installed back onto the trailer. Okay, hey, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.